pavement's cut to the white line, so be careful in your right wing.
Yeah, copy that. Thank you. I woke up last night at 11 o'clock, came to work for 12:30 this morning, started snowing around 3, and I'll be plowing to about 12:30, 1 o'clock this afternoon. I worked in an office for 22 years and got tired of that. I like being outside and I enjoy helping the public. I've been working back at DOT for about 7 years now. What I love is the adrenaline chase. I love to chase the adrenaline. This is fun. I work through the night, quiet, less traffic, get off about 1 in the afternoon, gives me my afternoons to myself, and you go to bed early. Working for New York State DOT is very fulfilling. I enjoy it. It's great for the flexible hours. They change shifts in the winter. It works out well for people with families, keeps it exciting. I look forward to coming to work every day. DOT rocks!